Hey, what's up guys? How's it going? Got something kind of cool here. These are the new Nike Air VaporMax Flyknit Mock. Now, these are a running shoe. Kind of expensive. They're $200, but I'm an avid runner. I run about 6.5 miles a day, 6.8 miles a day. So anyways, I needed some new shoes. Why not these? So they just got delivered, so I'll stop talking. We'll open the box and go ahead and check them out. All right, guys. Okay, let's go ahead and open these up, and I'm really excited to get these. I needed a new pair of running shoes. Like I said, I don't run a lot. I'm no professional trainer or jogger or runner or anything like that. I'd never make that claim. But I do run about 6.5 to 6.8, 6.7 miles a day. Now normally, I've always had just a pair of Asics, which have been fine. They've been great, but now that I think about it, I've been using them for, wow, I want to say 5 years now. So I decided, why not try these? So I wear an 11.5. I'm 5'11", 165 pounds, and I wear a 11.5. So Nike Air VaporMax Flyknit Mock. And this is the box it comes in. Now, like I said, these retail for $200. That's a lot of money for a pair of shoes. I would have been just fine with another, $50 pair of Asics that I always run in. They're very comfortable. And but believe it or not, the wife was the one to tell me to get these. So anyway, go ahead and take a look. And here are the VaporMax. Now, these are the ones with just the elastic strap here. There are no laces. This is a total slip-on, which for me, that's great because I hate tying my shoe. Now, I'll be honest, hopefully they are as comfortable as they look. Now, these are $200. Normally, I mean, that is a lot of money for me. But as much as I run, the wife said maybe I should invest in a better pair. All right, just giving you a look all around here. They look like they'll be comfortable. Hopefully, time will tell as I, go on my runs. We'll see. Alright, let's look under here. And yeah, that is a interesting design. Hopefully it's as comfortable as it looks with all this air and stuff around here. Alright, here's the bottom side, and this is a interesting design, that's for sure. Never seen anything like this. Alright, and grab the other one here. And see them both side by side. And this is like a mesh on top. It's probably so your feet can breathe a little better as you're running all day. Like I said, I'm no shoe expert, not a super runner. I'm pretty sure there's guys out there that run way more than I do and know a little bit more about shoes, but ooh, I like how it says VaporMax right there on the back. So yeah, I ordered these from Nike's website. It came to my house in a couple days. Not a big deal. And so anyone thinking about these, I just wanted to go ahead and show you. So I'm gonna leave everything set up here. I'm gonna go for a run in these. I'm gonna use them for, I don't know, 2 days or so. And then I'll let you know my first impressions. But this is the shoe. Nike Air VaporMax Flyknit Mock, and these are the all black ones for $200. Yeah, that's nuts. Normally I would never ever spend that much money on a pair of shoes. All right, guys. Alright guys, so I actually had a chance to run in these. I ran in them for 2 days, so I did a little over 13 miles in them. Not bad. That sounds weird, did 13 miles in them. Anyways, yeah, they're comfortable. I probably prefer my Asics a little bit more, but again, I've been running in those for, 4 or 5 years, so maybe I'm a little biased. I need to give these more of a chance, but I was expecting, for 200 bucks, I was expecting to put these on and just be like, oh my God, like I'm running on pillows, you know what I mean? But they feel fine. Takes a little getting used to, since it's not just one solid like sole or whatever here. It's, you feel the different sections, if that makes any sense. As you're running, you feel it here, 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 and it takes a little getting used to. So please don't think you'll get these and you're just like, I'm floating on air. It's just not that. The style points, man, they're amazing. They look great. You show up at the gym with these, you're a monster. You know what I mean? But as far as comfort, maybe a 7 out of 10. Like, they're cool, but they're not amazing. Then again, I've only ran in them 2 days, so who knows, kind of like that break-in, wear-in period. Who knows, a month from now, I could say this is the greatest shoe ever. But my first impressions, they look great, they feel great. I love the fact that I don't have to tie any laces or no strings or nothing like that. It's just a slip on and go. Actually, this is very snug. It's actually perfect. It's tight, but not too tight. It's snug. And they look great, they feel great. I would say once I was about 3 miles into my first run, then I kind of got used to the way they felt, just feeling the individual sections here as I ran. But yeah, these are them, and if you buy them, I hope you enjoy them, and I hope this little unboxing review helped you. All right, guys.